Welcome to a Joyfill Form Builder tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how the settings work on the form, page, and field levels. I will show you how to set default visual settings to give your form that nice branded visual look. By the end of this video, you will know the proper way to prepare your form for the building process. Let's dive in. Settings can be applied on the form level, on the page level, or on the field level. You'll notice the settings sidebar appears on the right when you select the associated object. Each level that you apply settings to can influence the objects within them. For example, let's open the form settings and apply a field border. By setting a field border on the form level, all added fields will inherit that border by default. Now let's prepare our form. A best practice would be to start with the form settings. First, give your form a title. Second, determine whether this form will be an e-form or a fillable PDF. If it's a PDF, you can upload it here. Our forms also support a hybrid approach, combining e-form and PDF within the same form, which can be set on a page-by-page basis. And third, finish setting your field's default styles. Now, all the fields I add will have these same visual styles. As you can see, it helps speed up the building process because I don't have to style each added field to keep the form looking consistent. Another best practice would be to configure the page settings. Here, you can set the padding and layout rules of the page. These page settings are guide rails for where and how the fields will fit on the page canvas. As you can see from the 50 pixels added to the inner rim of the page. Hopefully these pointers gave you a good understanding of how to prepare your form for an efficient build. And that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching.